Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Nur Izzati Syafiqah binti Jamaluddin. Saya akan menerangkan untuk soalan pertama, iaitu Mobile Operating System. Terbahagi pada dua, A dan juga B. So, kita akan pergi kepada soalan A, iaitu Provide a brief overview of Android and Apple iOS operating system. For Android, Android is a mobile operating system developed by Google. It is based on the Linux kernel and is designed primarily for touchscreen mobile devices such as smartphone and tablet. It released in 2008 on the HTC Dream. Android is an open source platform, which means its source code is freely available for developers to modify, customize, and distribute. Users can download for free. Android devices use the Google Play Store to serve as the main app distribution platform, which is users can discover, download, and install various apps and media onto their Android devices. Next, iOS. iOS is a mobile operating system developed by Apple. It is a Unix-like operating system that is based on Darwin's BSD operating system. The operating system also based on Mac OS. This proprietary operating system was first released in 2007 and continues to power Apple iPhones, iPad, and other devices. iOS is a closed-source operating system, meaning its source code is not publicly available for modification. Apple tightly controls both the software and hardware integration, resulting in a more controlled and consistent user experience. Users cannot download for free. iOS used an App Store platform to download apps or mobile apps. Through it, users can download applications of all kinds, games, books, social networks, movies, music, and other content. So next, B. Highlight the key differences between this operating system in terms of user interface, features, and functionalities. So start with user interface. For Android, offers extensive customization options. Users can change wallpapers, themes, icons, and install third-party launchers to modify the look and feel of the user interface. Widgets are also available on Android home screen for quick access to information. For iOS, provide limited customization options compared to Android. Users can change wallpapers, rearrange app icons, create folders, and enable or disable certain features, but the overall user interface appearance remains relatively consistent across devices. For Android, notifications are more extensive and detailed. They can be expanded, replied to, or interacted with directly from the notification sheet. Users have more control over notification settings for app. For iOS, notifications appear on the clock screen or as banners alerts while using the device. Users can interact with notifications, but the options may be more limited compared to Android. For the next is features. Android provide access to the Google Play Store, which offers a vast number of apps, including some that might not pass Apple's stringent App Store guidelines. There's a wider range of app choices due to a more open app submission process. For iOS, the Apple App Store is more curated with stringent guidelines that ensure app quality and security. While it may have a slightly smaller selection of apps, it often emphasizes a higher level of app consistency and security. For Android, allow users to access the file system directly using the File Manager apps. Users can browse, organize, and manage files more freely. For iOS, has a more locked-down file system, limiting direct access to file management. Apps have sandbox access to their own files, which can sometimes restrict the ability to share files across different apps. For the last, functionalities. For Android, multitasking. Android allows users to run multiple applications simultaneously, enabling efficient multitasking. Users can switch between apps effortlessly and perform various tasks without closing other running applications. Google Services integration. Android seamlessly integrates with Google services such as Gmail, Google Maps, Google Drive, and more, offering synchronization of data across multiple devices. For iOS, Siri, Apple's intelligent voice assistant Siri, enables users to perform various tasks hands-free, such as sending messages, making calls, setting reminders, checking the weather, getting directions, and accessing information. For the last, iCloud integration. iOS seamlessly integrates with iCloud, Apple's cloud storage service. It allows users to store and save photos, videos, documents, contacts, calendars, and more across multiple Apple devices.
Installing application and content. Explain the method of installing application and content on mobile device, differentiating between pull and push method. Difference between push and pull. Push when a server updates the information to the client without waiting for a request called push technology. Push technology is used by online advertisement, chat, email system, security application, and RSS feeds. Meanwhile, for pull, when a client requests the server for the information called pull technology. A user using a web browser and requesting for a web page. These are the steps for push notification on Android. This is step for push notification on Android. First, you need to go to the Play Store. Then, search Instagram. You need to make sure that you download the Instagram first. If the download finish, you have to open the Instagram. Then you can go to the profile and then go to the setting and privacy. Click the notification and then you have to make sure that you don't pause your push notification, and you can make sure all the push notification is on. For pull notification on Android, step 1, go to Play Store and search Gmail. Step 2, download Gmail and then open the app. Step 3, click Profile. After that, click Add another account. After that, you need to type username and your password. And then, you are ready sign in, and then you will see the notification. This is the step for push notification on iOS. First, go to App Store and then search Instagram. You have to download the Insta first. After it done, open the Instagram. Go to Instagram profile. Then go to setting and privacy. Click notification. Make sure you don't pause the push button. Then make sure all the push button it's on. And then this is our pull notification on iOS. Step 1. Go to App Store and search Gmail. Step 2. Download Gmail and then open the app. Step 3. Click Profile. After that, click Add another account. Step 4. You need to type username and your password. And step 5. You will sign in into Gmail and you will see the notification.
Navigation icons. The Android OS uses the system bar to navigate apps and screens. The system bar is always displayed at the bottom of every screen. The system bar contains of the following buttons. Back returns focus to the previous screen that was being used. Home returns focus to the last home screen used. If you are viewing a left or right home screen, the home button opens the main home screen. Recent opens thumbnail image of recently used apps. To open an app, touch its thumbnail, swipe a thumbnail to remove it from the list. Google Search and Search Bar. Google Search. Android device often come with a default Google Search app pre-installed. Touch and then type text into the box to search the device and the internet for anything. Touch the microphone icon to enter the search using speech. Search bar. Some home screens have a search bar at the top for quickly searching for apps, contacts, or information on the device. Apps. Each home screen is set up with a grid where apps can be placed. To move an app, follow the steps. First, touch and hold the app. Second, drag it to an empty area of any home screen. Third, release the app. To remove an app from the home screen, you must touch and hold the app, drag it to the trash can or X icon on the screen, and release the app. To execute an app, touch it. There are usually 3 different ways to close an app. Touch the back button continually to reach the home screen. It is common for the program to prompt to exit the app. Second, touch the home button. And lastly, touch the exit option in the menu for the app. Widgets. Widgets are programs or piece of programs that display information. There are many other types of widgets that can be used to customize Android screen. Wallpaper is a background image or wallpaper adds a personal touch to the home screen. It can be customized according to your preference. Certainly, managing apps, widgets, and folders on an Android device can help you organize your home screen and access your favorite apps and information more efficiently. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to manage these elements. How to managing apps. First, how to place apps on the home screen. Open the app drawer. Swipe up or tap the icon, usually a grid of dots, to open the app drawer. Select the app. Find the app you want to place on the home screen. Long press the app. Long press on the app icon until options appear. Drag the app to home screen. Drag the app icon to the desired location on the home screen. Next, how to move apps on the home screen. First, you have to long press the app. Long press on the app you want to move and drag the app to the new location on the home screen. Third, creating folders on the home screen. Long press an app icon. Drag app icon onto another app icon to create a folder. Then you have to name the folder. Tap on unnamed folder to give the folder a name. Next, how to uninstall the apps. Open Settings, go to your device setting app, and navigate to Apps or Application Manager. The location may vary depending on your device. Select the app. Select the app you want to uninstall. Tap Uninstall. How to managing widgets. First, how to add widgets to the home screen. You have to long press on an empty space on the home screen. Select Widgets or Add Widgets option. Choose a widget. Browse through the available widgets and select the one you want. Place the widget. Drag the widget to the desired location on the home screen. Resizing widget. Long press on the widget you want to resize. Release the widget, then drag the corner handles to resize. Lastly, removing widgets. Now press on the widgets you want to remove. Drag the widget to the remove or trash area that appears. Following these steps, you can effectively manage apps, widgets, and folders on your Android device, keeping your home screen organized and tailored to your preference.
Soalan nombor 4. iOS Touch Interface. A. Identify and explain the items on the iOS home screen. Organize the home screen and apps library on your iPhone. Search for an apps in the apps library. Step 1. Go to the app library. Step 2. Tap the search field, then enter the app that you are looking for. Step 3. Tap the apps to open it. Delete an apps from the apps library. Step 1. Go to the apps library and tap the search field to open the list. Step 2. Touch and hold the app icon. Then tap delete apps. Step 3. Tap delete again to confirm. Find, hide and remove page on your home screen. Step 1. Touch and hold an empty area on your home screen. Step 2. Tap the dots near the button of your screen. Step 3. Tap the circle under the page that you want to hide. Step 4. Tap Done. Reorder page on your home screen. Step 1. Touch and hold an empty area on your home screen. Step 2. Tap the dots near the button on your screen. Step 3. Tap and hold a page to reorder it. 4. Tap Done. Change where new apps get downloaded. Step 1. Go to Setting. After that, search Home Screen and then App Library. Step 2. Select an option such as Add to Home Screen or Apps Library only. B. Create a tutorial for staff members on managing apps and folders on the iOS device. Include steps for placing, moving, creating, and uninstalling apps. Create folders. Step 1. Touch and hold the home screen's background until the app begins to jingle. Step 2. To create a folder, drag an app onto another app. Step 3. Drag another app into the folder. Move an app from a folder to the home screen. Step 1. Go to the home screen page with the folders that contains the app. Then tap the folder to open it. Step 2. Touch and hold the apps until the apps begin to jingle. Step 3. Drag the apps from the folder to the home screen. Move apps and widgets around on your iPhone. Step 1. Touch and hold any apps or widget on the home screen. Then tap Edit Home Screen. Step 2. Drag the apps or widget to the right edge of the screen. Step 3. When you finish, press the Home button. And lastly, uninstall apps. Step 1. Don't press an apps icon until the quick action menu appears. You can do this with app icons on your home screen or in your apps library. Step 2. If you only want to remove that one app, then tap Remove App. Step 3. Tap Delete Apps from the menu. Then appears the other option, Remove from the home screen. Will banish the app to your apps library. Step 4. Confirm in the pop-up by tapping Delete.